Hello learners, in this video I will be discussing the CUCET syllabus for life sciences. So basically the syllabus of CUCET consists of two parts, that is part A and part B. Part A. In part A section you have to deal with the questions from English, numerical aptitude, data interpretation, analytical skill, reasoning, general aptitude, general knowledge question. And in part B for life sciences, it consists of questions from techniques, then chromatin structure and function, then from biochemistry, then biotechnology, then from the microbiology, then from the molecular genetics, then plant sciences, and the last section is from animal sciences. So let us see the part B section for life sciences in detail. First is from the techniques. So from techniques, it is principle and application of chromatography, spectroscopy, microscopy, electrophoresis, centrifugation, blotting, PCR, radioisotope technique. Next, chromatin structure and function. In the chromatin structure and function, it includes organization of chromosome in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, chromatin types, centromere and telomere, and concept of gene. In biochemistry section, it consists questions from structure and function of proteins, DNA, carbohydrate, lipids, and vitamins. Then bioenergetics, glycolysis, TCA cycle, electron transport system, ATP synthesis, oxidation and synthesis of fatty acid, membrane structure and function. Next from biotechnology, recombinant DNA technology, principle of gene cloning, application of biotechnology in medicine, industry and agricultural sector, animal and plant cell culture, then environmental biotechnology, then microbiology. In the microbiology section, you have to study diversity of microbes, bacterial reproduction, antimicrobial agent, and significance of microbiology in industry and agriculture. Then antigen, antibody, complementary system, immunity, vaccine, plant virus, animal virus, and environmental microbiology. Then molecular genetics. In this part, principle of inheritance, linkage and crossing over, chromosomal aberration, extrachromosomal inheritance, replication, transcription, translation, DNA repair, population genetics. Then plant sciences. Here, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm, vascular system, economic importance of botany, photosynthesis, photoperiodism, vernalization, biogeochemical cycle. And the last part is from the animal science. It consists of characteristics of invertebrates and vertebrates, anatomy and physiology, Nerve impulse transmission. It is your nerve impulse transmission. Then endocrinology, human diseases, apoptosis, inherited disease, and animal cell culture. So these are the syllabus for life sciences. This is all about this video. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.